Hey, I'm Melanie Kate, and today I thought I'd come back with another soy wax candle. I think that a candle is a perfect gift for a loved one, friend or family, and actually making one is more thoughtful, I guess, than getting one out of Yankee Candle or whatever. And also soy wax is much more healthier for you and environmentally friendly. So today we're going to make one for self-care. Well, actually I'm making two, but if you can make one. I'm doing it for ingredients for one, but if you want to make two or multiples, you totally can. I'm making two because I have two friends to make one for, and neither of them watch my video, so we are totally fine. Or if they do, then I don't know about it. So I did a bit of research and looked up essential oils and things for self-care, and today I've based it off of essential oils for mood, which I'll go through everything anyway and tell you what you need, but you can get essential oils for absolutely everything. So I've done a blend for mood, but it is going to be called A Touch of Self-Care. So this is it finished. This one's my Secret Santa one because I haven't put my floristry name on it because it obviously can't be from me. But my other one, I haven't put the label on yet because I'm just discussing it with another friend, but we think that I'm going to put on there Posies by Melanie Kate. I'm not 100% sure, but that is the candle. I'll go through everything you need, and this is a lovely present for anyone. It doesn't have to just be for Christmas, but it's really thoughtful, and I'd be happy to get that. And actually I want to make one for myself now. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. For this you will need a set of scales, a jar. I got mine from Candle Supplies, but you can get it from anywhere, pretty much any, like Hobbycraft, Amazon, all that lot. They do, eBay even probably do them. Mine have lids as well, and I am making two today, but I will show you the amount you need for one. I think I'm going to do one then the other. A wick that sits longer than the jar preferably, but you are going to cut this down, but just so it's perfect. Soy wax, this is mine. I got it and it's probably done, this is going to have done me 5 candles, I think, maybe more. Then, just because I sell mine, but these are for me to give to someone for Christmas, but because I sell them as well, I just put the warnings on the bottoms of the jars. So let's just do that now while we remember. I am using a Pyrex jug today because it's got the pouring bit. I would also probably use a funnel if you have one, but this is going to be good because it's got the pour, so it won't spill over the edges, hopefully. These are glue dots to stick the wicks in. And then for today's scent is all to do with self-care, and in a video coming up you'll see me put together these self-care Christmas presents for some friends. One's for Secret Santa. So I googled, or well actually I didn't, I Pinterest scents for self-care, and this is one that was perfect so that I got these scents, but also I think will really help. And so it's kind of based off mood, but it's a self-care candle. So you need vanilla, rose, and ylang ylang in essential oils. These are them. This one, which is the vanilla, I got straight from Hobbycraft, so you can get them there for candle scents. That's all you need. I've also got a reel of little labels, so I can put a label on and make it more professional. A microwave, and that is all you need. So I've just stuck the labels on the bottom, and now I'm going to use the dots, which are perfect. I've got some dots in here, so I'm going to use these ones first. And all you do is peel it off, put your wick in place in the middle, peel, so then it looks like that. peel this side off and stick in the middle. Right, you need 200 grams of the wax pebbles, soy wax pebbles, per 20 cl. Okay, so then I'm going to put this into the microwave now for a couple of minutes and stir it, and then a couple of minutes again. So I'm just going to get a wooden spoon out. So that's 2 minutes. I'm just going to pour this out. I've just brought the tea towel out just in case. And I think, yeah, you can tell that it's not fully melted, so it needs to go back in for a minute at least. That was 2 minutes I put it in for, but it's worth mixing it. And now that should be completely melted, but let me just get it out. I'm only using the tea towel just as a precaution. It's not hot really at all to touch. Okay, so you can tell that that is fully melted. Let me just move you. You're hotter than the flipping candle. And we're going to put in our drops. So let me get my screen up. So I just went on Pinterest, and this is all of the ones that you could do. And I went for mood because you always want an uplifting candle, potentially. So we are doing 3 drops of ylang ylang. That could have been a bit more, but there we go. In fact, let's double it. So that was 5, 6. Have more of that. 3 drops of rose, so let's do that as 6. And 2, so 4 vanilla. We don't want too much vanilla. Dribbled. Right, and then just stir that again. You have to act fast because obviously it's coming out of a hot to cool, so it will cool in here if you don't act fast enough. So then take your candle pot and you pour it in slowly. You want to leave about 2 centimeters of wick out, which I'd say is that. So that is perfect. And now this candle here is going to go to the fridge for half an hour, and then it will be set. We can put all the stuff on. So I'll just put that in the fridge now, and we're good to go. Obviously make another one, you won't have to unless you want to. It's been half an hour now, maybe a little bit longer, say 40 minutes, and I've just been playing around with my labels because I can put my name on one but not on the other, so I've just been playing around with them with the help of my friend, and we've decided that we're going with a touch of self-care candle on the one, my Secret Santa, and a touch of self-care posies by Melanie Kate on the other one, because my candles come from my floristry business, basically. It's technically not really a business, but a little business. So I can get them out of the fridge. Let me get them. 1, 2, and I'm going to, you can see that the wick sits higher, so I'm just going to cut that off at level with the pot. It smells really nice. And then we can get the lids. and they are perfect. And I just need to put the labels on. These labels I've just put on one of my candles just to see what they look like. We are going with this one for Secret Santa. So just peel. I got these labels from Amazon, I think. And then we are just going to place this on here. And there is your candle, all ready to go, ready to wrap and put in, give to your friends. It's actually a lovely present, and I'd be really grateful for this, and it's really thoughtful as well. And there we have our finished candle. It smells amazing, and I'm really glad that I put this blend together in particular. It looks really nice with the brown like paper like label, and I've just put a touch of self-care candle on it. It's obviously got the safety sticker on the bottom, and the wick sits perfectly inside. It is amazing. Obviously I've made two, but I showed you just the ingredients for one, so if you're doubling it, just make sure you do so. And I would put your your oils or your scents into each candle batch rather than like all together, because you may get more vanilla in one than the other or whatever. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Would you make this for a friend? Honestly, making candles is the easiest thing I have ever done, and obviously these are soy wax, so they're better for you, and I just love them. In fact, this is my anxiety one, which is my own one, and I burnt it the other day whilst I was at work, and it really helped calm me down, and I don't know, it smells nice. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye.